What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove the headlight on a 2012 Honda Accord. And the first thing you want to do is remove the front bumper, and I have a separate video on how to do that, and I'll link to that in the description below. First, take out this bolt on the bumper beam absorber to make way for the headlight when we go to slide it out. Use a 10mm socket. And then take a flathead screwdriver and pry down on the tab in the square hole and pull out on the absorber. And then use the same socket to remove the bolt in the front and also the bolt on the top. And remove one last bolt on the side. And then place both hands on the headlight and pull it directly back towards you. And then remove the wiring plugs by pushing on the tabs and pulling out on them. And then remove this wiring clip by using a screwdriver and pushing on each side of it while pulling out, and it unclips it. And that's it, guys. Headlights out. Thanks for watching.